In this lecture, we will see how to rename a worksheet. So here in the bottom, this here we can see the name of the worksheet. So here the name is a simple spreadsheet. So I will change the name here. So here after clicking right, we can see the rename. So after renaming here, we can change the name, and I am changing the name Udemy Training. So this is the new name of this worksheet. So here we have created and we have renamed the worksheet. In the next lecture we will show how to insert and delete worksheet.